The Original Stewards, a guide to Native American farming practices. Long before modern industrial agriculture, the indigenous peoples of North America developed some of the most sophisticated and sustainable farming systems in human history. These practices were built on a foundation of deep ecological observation, spiritual reciprocity, and a profound understanding of local biodiversity. By looking at these ancestral methods, modern gardeners can learn how to create resilient ecosystems that feed people while healing the earth. The Three Sisters, a masterclass in synergy. The most iconic Native American farming technique is the Three Sisters polyculture, the interplanting of corn, beans, and squash. This system is a perfect example of biological synergy. Corn, the older sister, provides a tall, sturdy structure for the beans to climb, acting as a natural trellis. Beans, the middle sister. As legumes, beans host bacteria on their roots that fix nitrogen from the air into the soil, providing essential nutrients for the nitrogen-hungry corn. Squash, the younger sister. The large, prickly leaves of the squash act as a living mulch. They shade the ground to retain moisture and suppress weeds, while the prickly hairs deter pests like raccoons. 2. Milpa and polycultures. Beyond the Three Sisters, many cultures, particularly in the Southwest and Mesoamerica, practiced the milpa system. This involves planting dozens of different crops in the same field, including tomatoes, peppers, jicama, and medicinal herbs. This diversity ensures that even if one crop fails due to weather or pests, the others will thrive, providing a consistent food supply. Waffle gardens and water management. In arid regions like the Zuni and Hopi lands of the Southwest, water is the most precious resource. Indigenous farmers developed ingenious waffle gardens. The structure, garden beds, are divided into small, sunken squares with raised earthen walls, resembling a waffle. The benefit: these walls trap every drop of precious rainwater and protect young seedlings from the harsh, drying desert winds. This method allows crops to grow in environments where conventional agriculture would fail without massive irrigation. Controlled burning and soil enrichment. Native Americans were not just passive observers of the land, they actively managed entire landscapes. Fire as a tool. Controlled low-intensity burns were used to clear underbrush, return nutrients to the soil, and encourage the growth of berry bushes and nut-bearing trees. Terra preta. In some regions, ancient farmers created dark earth by mixing charcoal, bone, and organic waste into the soil, creating pockets of incredible fertility that persist to this day. Seed sovereignty and sacredness. To Native American farmers, seeds are not just commodities. They are living relatives and sacred trusts. Heirloom preservation. Thousands of unique varieties of corn, squash, and beans were carefully bred over millennia to suit specific microclimates, from high-altitude plateaus to humid river valleys. The gift economy. Seeds were traditionally shared and gifted, ensuring that if one community's crop failed, the genetic diversity of the tribe was preserved by neighbors. Native American farming practices teach us that agriculture is not about dominating nature, but about participating in a complex, reciprocal relationship with the land. By adopting these methods, focusing on polycultures, water conservation, and soil health, we can grow gardens that are as sustainable as they are beautiful. Happy planting!